So, children, it's the seventh period, and only four students can be seen online, which is so bad. But as we were doing in the fourth period, the topic presentation must go on. So, I shall be going on with my offline students. Now, the group which is here for their topic presentation is Bhavishya, Rudra, and Mushaba. They three are in one team and they will present a topic. What is the name of your topic, Rudra? Meadow Surprises. It's a poem of your textbook, right? Honeycomb. And they are here with the poem Meadow Surprises. So make sure that one by one you all can get a chance to present your views, right? You need to stand over there so that you all can be framed in one sphere of, in one frame of the camera. Yes. Once you are speaking, you need to take out your mask and accordingly you have to adjust. Take the. Please begin.
Good afternoon, all my dear friends and respected ma'am. I am Rudra with my group, and today we are going to explain you about poem number 8 of textbook Meadow Surprises. So I begin. Meadows have surprises. You can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. So the meaning of this paragraph is the grasslands has are full of surprises, and if you look them carefully, you can find them, and you can also listen the sound of water flowing from a place. So I shall begin with my second paragraph. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. So the meaning of this paragraph is you may see a you can see a butterfly on a flower which is drinking a straws of a flower, its nectar. So here is my friend Mushaba who will continue this.
You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hops, you will. In this paragraph is saying that you. This stanza is saying that you you can scare a rabbit who is just sitting sitting quietly at his place. Though at first you may not see him. You may not see him at first, but if he jumps, then you can see him. A dandelion who is fuzzy head was golden days ago, has turned to hairy patches that flutter when you blow. Uh, in this stanza, this is saying that a dandelion who was fuzzy ahead was golden a days ago, but nowadays it has turned a dry, and if you try to blow their leaves, they will blow up.
So here's me, Bhavishya Kumar. I am starting with the last two paragraphs. So the paragraphs are explore the meadow houses, the berries in the ground, a nest, then tall grasses, the ants' amazing mound. So even have you amassed a grass with a meadow, or even we have explored a meadow houses when we are the burrows in the ground. Have even we have go to our village. We see some of our farms. We see some burrows. There live some snake or any animals or any insects. So first the paragraph is saying that this stanza is saying that when we are exploring the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, even some nest beneath tall grasses means that there is something at a nest beneath from the tall grasses. Like there is a burrow in a tall grasses, or even there is something more exciting insects living in that burrow or in that tall grasses. So here's my second stanza. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover this yourself if you look and listen well. So even this meadow have some surprises, or even I have tell in my my last and first stanza that there is one burrow in the ground. It near and tall grass, or even we can say that there is a nest on amazing an ant. So when we discover them as ourselves, or even we can look or listen them well, they look at and meadows. So here's the poem end, and thank you, and have a nice day ahead.
So the poet of this poem is Lewis Brandon Phillips. So I am begin with asking some questions. Can anyone tell me the meaning of meadows? Online, can anyone tell me the meaning of meadows? Offline, anyone? So there is no one. So Vivek tell us the meaning of meadows, grassland. So he is correct. So my second question is find pictures of the kinds of birds, insects, and senses mentioned in the poem. So can you leave this question? Can so anyone tell me the meaning of second stanza offline?
All right. I think a lot of members and groups are waiting. So I think you should go nicely, but there are a number of corrections, right? And the other group can take cues from the one which they have performed, right? Like pronunciations and you when you are coming here, you must keep this thing in your mind that who is going to begin first and then who is going to begin the next, right? So the role should be clear in the mind. It should not happen that once have started speaking and presenting the topic and then you are running and rushing for your turn, that who will speak what. This should not happen. So a prior and proper coordination is what which we look forward to, right? So the next group, do we have any online group? Thank you, Rudra and Bhavesh Mushaba. It was a nice attempt, but it can have improvements in the future. Shruti, Samiksha, you all can listen to me. All right, are you ready with your topics?
Ma'am, I'm sorry, but my data is finished.
Your data is also not sufficient. Yeah, Shruti.
Ma'am, after 1 minute, I will be here with you. Ma'am, with the art topic, with her presentation.
Okay, okay, not an issue. So meanwhile, Shruti, okay, Shivani, you have raised your hand. You want to say something? Shivani, do you want to say something? Hmm. All right. So the next group for presentation is Angel and the other group members. Angel, Amit, Prince, Pal, Naman, Mr. Naman. So four members are there in this group, and let us welcome them. Kindly take the center. Make sure your position should be nice so that you can all come in one frame of the camera. It is in recording mode, yeah, right. Angel, get adjusted. You may take like one can go behind the other so that they all can be adjusted in one frame. Prince, you stand ahead of Amit, and uh, Naman, you can go back. Angel, you can come forward. Yeah, now. Yeah, please begin your topic. Introduce.
Good afternoon, friends. This is Team Angel and Party with the members Prince, Angel, Amit, and Namandeep. We are going to take topic of our honeycomb, that is the story of cricket. So let's start. Before you read, sport is an integral part of healthy life. The, it is one way in which we amuse ourselves, compete with each other, and stay fit. Among the various sports such as hockey, football, and tennis, cricket appears to be most appealing national entertainment today. How much do we really know about the cricket? The story of cricket starts. The cricket grew out of many stick and ball games played in England 500 years ago. The word bat is an old English word that simply means stick a club. By 17th century cricket had evolved enough to be recognizable as the distinct game. Till the middle of the 18th century, bats were roughly the same shape as hockey sticks, carving outwards at the bottom. There was a simple reason for this. The ball was bowled underarm along along the ground and the curve at the end. The bat gave the batman the best chance of making contact. So this paragraph is saying that this the cricket game is an game of stick and ball, and this was first played in 500 years ago in England. Then that time the word bat is an English word, very old English word, which means a stick or a club. By 17th century the cricket has involved a lot of things, and in 17th century the cricket bat was type of today we have no hockey. In your page 140 it's given an image. You can see it's like that type of cricket. Because of the making of this is because uh, the ball were underarmed, and the reason is that that ball was coming through the level of our under the arms. That ball cannot be over our arms. So this is a simple reason, and the batman gives very best chance to bowler to have a ball. One of the speculation of cricket is that the test match can go on 4 5 days till end in a draw. No other modern team sports taken even half as much time to complete. A football match is generally over in a hour and a half. Even the time, even the baseball completes n- 9 innings in less half the time it takes to play. Limited over match and shortened version of modern cricket. So this paragraph is saying that no cricket have and test match which is of 5 days. In other games we have matches.
Friends, I guess another member should get a chance because the time is very less and we have to utilize it well. Be faster. Quick.
So in this paragraph, it is saying that the cricket is played in test match, which is of 5 days, and uh, other matches like football, baseball are done in 1 day or 1 hour and a half, 1.5 hour. So cricket takes long time. Another curious characteristic of cricket is that the length of pitch is 20 yard, but the size and the shape of ground is not. Most other team sports such as hockey and football lay down the dimension of playing area. Cricket does not. Ground can be oval like elliptical, oval, or nearly circle. Cubicle, cubicle in the Chennai a six at Melbourne Cricket Ground needs to clear much more ground than it does Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi. So here is an more curiosity, one character of cricket, that is 20. Its pitch length is 20 yards, 20 yards, and its shape and size of the ground is not same. And in the team sport, in other sports like football and cricket, foot in football and hockey they have not like this. And the ground of the cricket is like an oval shape, and that shape of oval is ideal laid oval. And many cricket grounds example are given in your book, that is in Chennai there is Chipok, and Melbourne etc. Now I handle the mic. Now Amit will be presenting Leicester.
There's a historical reason behind the both these origins. Cricket was the earliest modern team sport to be codified. The first written law of cricket were drawn up in 1744. They started the principles shall you choose.
Yes.
Ma'am, this chapter we like to present because, ma'am, this chapter tells how cricket has started. Ma'am, in England, around on 500 year ago, cricket was born or became made here by the England. Yes, ma'am.
Importance of playing games for students is for the physical health and mentality, strong mentality, and uh, uh, yeah, it keeps us fit and healthy.
Yeah, Angel, what are your views on girls does not seem to be that interested in playing sports? What do you think on it? Take the mic. Keep changing the positions. Use the presence of mind because the area is not that wide. Yeah. Do you play any sport for your physical activity?
Badminton.
Keep it closer. Speak proper sentences. Now I play badminton.
Mom, I play badminton.
Or keeping myself fit.
Yes, mom.
Alright. What is the sports?
Mom, sports. Sports is important for students because ma'am, because they because ma'am it keeps healthy and fit, yes ma'am, we feel
Energized.
energized and
Okay, so
some
through
in
this story of cricket, what one message do you think the author is trying to give?
ma'am, in this chapter the author is trying to tell about cricket, how it was played before, when it was started before 5,000 years ago, how it was played. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. So that was all from Angel and her group members. I would like to appreciate the efforts of Naman, Amit, Prince, and Angel. And surely you people have started coming up. So I would like to say that it takes a lot of courage to present and to say and to teach a concept, right? But if you keep teaching and learning this way in smaller groups, so let me tell you children, you will learn more, you will learn faster, and you can at the same time you can learn so many things and can take the doubts of each other, so that way the learning will be higher. What do you think, yes or no? Right? So definitely you need improvement a lot on the like how you should read, with what pause, with what pace means the speed, how to make a distance from a mic, right? So that's all for today. We shall take up more performances in my next session with you all, right? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shruti, I will take yours and the other people in the coming lecture, right? Maybe tomorrow, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Meanwhile, whosoever was in your group, you try to get in touch with them on WhatsApp. Just see if they respond. You just decide a kind of blueprint, a map, how and what will be taught by your group, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Good day.